The midpoint of segment PQ is F, and the length of FQ is 3M. What is the length of PQ in terms of M? So we're translating this word problem into a picture, in this case, a diagram if you would, because it's describing a picture that's not actually drawn for us. So anytime we have a question that does that, we want to draw the picture for ourselves. So what is the picture here? So it tells us that the midpoint of segment PQ is F. So let's draw segment PQ. So label that side as P. And we'll label this edge here as Q. And we are also told that the midpoint is F. So let's label that midpoint and F. What else are we given? We're given that FQ is 3M. So we're going to actually draw that into our diagram as well. 3M is the distance from F to Q. So now what's the question that's being asked? What is the length of PQ? Well, PQ would be this entire distance. We know that the distance from F to Q is 3M. We know that F is right in the middle of this entire segment. Therefore, if the distance from F to Q is 3M, then the distance from P to F must also be 3M. Why? Because the term midpoint means that the flanking sides, or the left and right hand side of any midpoint, will always be equal to each other. So keep that in mind for any other question that you see that uses the word midpoint. So now in order to figure out how long this entire segment is, we simply add the two lengths together. We have 3M plus 3M, which is equal to 6M. And bingo, we have our answer.